Thank you once again for joining today. And let me start my day. This is a Power BI demo. And there are two demo classes today and tomorrow, two demo classes. And this is the agenda for today. And this is the agenda for tomorrow. And no need to write anything. You not write anything. So please don't waste your time and my time. Just listen to it. And if you don't understand, ask me when I give the time, or call me on my number to get it clear. This is not an academic class. Point number one. And if you started writing huge content, we cannot cover in less time, and important content we cannot cover. So you may learn basics by writing your own, but if you want to get good content, please don't write anything. So I will make it meaningful in the next 1 hour or 45 minutes. I will make your day meaningful by giving good content. Just listen to it. And if you're new to IT and you're non-IT guy, non-technical guy, you may feel a little panic with the words, but please don't feel panic. Since you are interested to move into this, you need to learn each and every word very clearly. It will take some time. So first day, second day, with Power BI terminology or environment terminology, you may feel little panic. But third day onwards, you feel very bored. Same terminology regularly we use. So you feel very bored after third session or fourth session. Right. First one. So this is the agenda. Let me explain about myself. My name is Vinay, and this is my contact number. I'm current working professional. I'm not disclosing the name. The current course duration 50 to 60 hours. In case you want to have a fruitful learning, 50 to 60 hours compulsory required. Or some important topics you want to learn, then 15 hours, 20 hours also sufficient. But with that, you cannot do anything in the organizations. For interview cracking, somewhat they're helpful, but if you want to work in the real time, complete in-depth is required. Even you want to do certifications, Power BI having certifications, and you want to write it, yes. And you want to qualify a couple of MNC examinations, compulsory good amount of knowledge is required. That is possible through in-depth learning of the subject. That I will give you here. And class duration 1 hour, Monday to Friday compulsory classes, monthly 2 Saturdays you are having classes. And we provide daily live class videos, and you'll get access up to 1.5 years. Two near real-time projects will provide you. Multiple case studies as well. And you will get theoretical and practical both the materials. And prerequisite, no prerequisite. In case you're interested about IT and you're a graduate, happily you can learn Power BI. No specific restrictions or recommendations. But if you have knowledge on Excel or SQL, this is added advantage. Not compulsory, but added advantage. And Power BI is fully graphical user interface component. full support to GUI. Coding is very less. That's why this is called as a low code application. So what we provide, a prerequisite, qualification, and this. If anybody looking forward for fast track training, customized training, kindly reach out on this number. I'm not the trainer for fast track or customize, but if you are looking for fast track or customize, go to this. And the current training is basics to advanced. And these are the components I'm covering in the next 2 months. And these are environment related components. And this is Power BI subject. There are 2 classifications. Since you are entering into environment, you need to have knowledge on data warehousing fundamental, data model fundamental, agile methodology, little understanding, GitHub versioning, and 2 near real-time projects I will provide you with multiple case studies. And database and SQL, 3 to 4 hours I will cover, but this is not sufficient for interview and to work in real time. Within 3 to 4 hours, great content I cannot cover, but that content is valuable with respect to Power BI. How do we bring data from databases? And what type of SQL we write? What type of data evolution we perform? Such kind of things I'm going to explain. That is valuable session. That does not mean it is sufficient for the real-time working perspective. You need to learn SQL separately from our institute or outside. I will give you 9 topics. Those 9 topics are required for data testing, report testing, and to perform operations in the real time. Those topics you prioritize and learn in depth. And MSBA tabular cube, 2-hour session I will conduct. Sir, is it compulsory? Yes, having knowledge is added advantage. I will take for 2 hours. Resume preparation, FAQs, mock interviews. Yes, these all we will conduct. And this is environment. You are joining in the BA environment. What all relevant required for you, I'm covering. Coming to Power BI subject. Power BI available in the cloud. Power BI available in the on-premises. Cloud is somebody else's storage, especially Microsoft storage level. You want to keep your reports, dashboards, you want to manage, that is cloud operation. Or you want to have your own servers where you will place your reports and manage, that is on-premises. And both possible and Power BI, both the components I'm going to explain. And if you want to work in cloud, 2 components required, Power BI desktop, Power BI service. You want to work in on-premises, yes, Power BI desktop, Power BI report server. So cloud components I'm covering, on-premises components also I'm covering. In addition to that, 2 additional applications, Power Apps and Power Automate also covering for 4 hours. Why, sir? To give you some understanding, the integration between Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, and the knowledge about Power Platform. Power Platform is very hard in the market to give you the knowledge. So this is what I'm going to cover in the next 2 months. And to learn this, you need to have very good patience, attending all the sessions and practicing it. No doubt after completing the session, you will be in a position to attend to appear for interviews, and you will feel confidence while working in the real time. Because once you join in the project, you come across this type of technology, you will not feel panic. Happily, you'll work it. Though you don't have real-time experience, still you feel confident. Okay, I can manage. So by watching 5-10 videos or 20-30 videos in the YouTube, if you feel like I can do it, nothing you can do. Just reporting, you can do it. But what about environment? What about in-depth of the subject? That you will not get it. And what we provide, Institute provide good theory, practical material. complete practical oriented training it is. And you will be having interaction with me during the class, after the session as well. FAQs also discussed. Daily live class video you will receive. No need to ask anyone. We'll create a folder. There we place live class video, resume preparation, and other sessions also conducted. And regarding this, I will show you. So this is the way I will create a folder for your batch. These are all the batches. 7 a.m. March, just before you batch. Guys, so same here. So this is the way you will be assigned to one folder. And here you will find the lab backup, videos, materials, and many other. Even videos also sequential order. Let me click on this. See, these are resume preparation video I conducted on June 17th. Report testing video, report server video, tabular cube video, MSBA tabular cube. April 24th, I covered for this batch. And daily video with the date and content available. Even you will receive the same. If you're absent for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, no matter, happily you can come to here, practice it. But first 1 week, 10 days classes are mandatory. You learn complete environment. Later, you are absent as well, no problem. Even you are absent, no issues. Once again, so this is the thing we will provide from the institution side. Now, after completing the course, you will be in a position to try less than 5 years in Power BI. You can put up Power BI experience less than 5 years, not more than that. Total IT may be different, but relevant to Power BI. Sir, why, sir? For more than 5 years. It's not possible through learning. Always 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end working knowledge is required. And those positions are this: Power BI modeling, Power BI designing, Power BI specialist, architect. These 4 available in the market with more than 5 years. At least 1 or 2 projects end-to-end knowledge required to try for these positions. Practical knowledge, real-time working knowledge is required. But below 5 years, happily you can try. Power BI plus DAX plus SQL. 90% opportunities, this combination only. You can try as a developer of Power BI with DAX language. It's a language, low code language. And SQL database language. These 3 combination you can try. Second one, you can try as a support resource. Some companies are recruiting. Some companies recruiting admin resource. And I will give you understanding about support. I will give you understanding about admin. So my course is good enough to try all this confidently. But already you are having MSBA components knowledge, or you learned Tableau ClickView knowledge and Azure ADF knowledge, Synapse Databricks knowledge. This combination also you can try. So remaining 10% opportunities in the combinations. So this is about the position what you can try in the current market, less than 5 years. So for the last few minutes, I explained the duration, daily class timing, what we provide, what is prerequisite, what all components I'm covering in the next 2 months. Environment related, Power BI related, both I covered. I'm going to start the demo session. Now, if you have any questions related to this content, kindly ask us. Right. My agenda for today. Covering from data to Microsoft Fabric understanding. This is my agenda for today. Demo agenda. Environment, awareness, history, evolution, Power BI, and Fabric advantages. Tomorrow's demo, that is second demo, practical of Power BI. Regular classes from Wednesday at 7 a.m. Now coming to demo 1. Data to Power Platform. Power Platform to Microsoft Fabric. This understanding I'm going to cover. Sir, is it related to me? 100% it is related to you. Don't watch any demo videos and demo content in the YouTube and other channels which are old. Power BI drastically changing, Microsoft also drastically changing with respect to their process, cutting edge technologies, and many more. Now you'll come to know, concentrate. So this is what I'm going to explain to screenshots. I go slowly, focus. You need to know about data. Because Power BI support all types of data. Then what all the types it provides support, you need to know. And data used in IT applications. Then how many types of applications available? Power BI comes under what type of IT application? What is BI application? And what is BI evolution? And where exactly Power BI comes into the BI in the evolution? Legacy BI or modern BI? Power Platform. What is Power Platform? What is the relation with Power BI? What is Microsoft Fabric? How Microsoft Fabric and Power BI related? So this content I'm going to cover. Because Power BI is a product of, a component of Microsoft Fabric nowadays. It is not alone. So you're learning a Microsoft Fabric component. So by learning Power BI, you're entering into Fabric. Then what is Fabric? So stay tuned till 8:10. The session will continue till 8:10. Then you will get completely. From 8:10, I will address your questions. What is data? Anything you are able to store is called data. And knowingly or unknowingly, we all working on 3 types of data. First one, structured data. Second one, semi-structured data. Third one, unstructured data. And structured data, mostly in the form of table or Excel. So, not Excel, most in the form of columns. in the form of columns, column by column. So table data, Excel data, these are the examples. Take an example here. Employee ID, employee name, age, degree. This information you want to keep column by column. No doubt, we need to go to structured presentation, either table or Excel sheet. If you want column by column data like this, we go to table or Excel or similar applications. But partly structure I want, partly structured, not fully structured. That is semi-structured. Example, JSON, XML. They hold partly structured data, not fully. Look at this example, semi-structured. Student ID, 1. Student name, John, age, 18. So one side metadata available, one side data available. This is data. The student ID, name, age, this is metadata. And it's not fully structured like this. So this is called semi-structured. You may deal with semi-structured data in the real time. And I'm going to show you some examples on structured, semi-structured, unstructured in Power BI. Unstructured, your WhatsApp messages, your email messages, no structure at all. We will type in any way. So this come under unstructured. So in the current IT industry, 3 types of data available, and more you work in the real time, structured and semi-structured. Sometimes you work on unstructured, maybe social media data, Facebook information you need in a Power BI report level, and WhatsApp data. So WhatsApp information also you require in Power BI report level possible. These all come under unstructured. First one clear? Second, where do we store in the back end? This data, okay, where do we store? Some people keep data in the form of files. Some people keep data in the form of database tables. Any company you go, in IT, data stored either in the form of files or database tables. No other. This is storage format. What about storage area? Some companies keeping this data in on-premises. On-premises indicate respective organization will maintain servers, and within the servers they will place their content. Some people not maintaining it, they're maintaining this data in cloud area, somebody else storage area. And we all knowingly or unknowingly working on both. Take your mobile phone, your images, your snapshots, your videos, all firstly in our mobile device, mobile storage. That is on-premise. And weekly once or monthly once, we will back up. Where do we back up? Cloud area. Either Samsung Cloud, Apple Cloud, Google Drive, somewhere we will back up. So knowingly or unknowingly, we are working on-premises and cloud storages. Nowadays, most of the laptops I have observed, they're syncing with one drive and many drives. So they're not maintaining anything in their local OS level. Everything they're keeping in the cloud. So this is about data understanding. No other data types, no other formats available. 3 types of data, 2 types of formats, 2 types of storage. Come to IT applications. .NET, Java, Python, PHP, ASP, mainframe, SAP, many applications available. What do? These applications for 2 major purposes. One, few applications to run the business. 2, few applications to analyze the business. And you all guys interested about analysis of the business. So once you join in the company, you will take business process of data and you will convert it to analytical data. That's it. How you convert, you learn through this tool. But your interest is providing analytical support to the organization, not to run the business. So take any IT application in the market. I'm talking about major applications. They're for running or analyzing. And technically, with respect to IT, we call this as OLTP, online transaction processing. The business running applications. Analytical applications, Technically, we call it as OLAP, online analytical processing. And some people call it as BA application, because you're providing decision-making data to the business, or business intelligence information you're providing for the customers for analysis. So that's why this is called BA application, and the information which you provide is called BA information. You will not provide directly the business data to management team. You will do some operations and you will provide decision-making data. The decision-making data is called BA data, business intelligence data. And the application is BA application. Okay, right. Now, we'll see a normal example about platforms process. IRCTC Tatkal booking, your movie tickets booking, money transfer, money withdraw, those all come under business operations and OLTP operations. But how do we perform? As a general public, how do we perform? You want to book a train ticket. How many platforms we have to book the train ticket? First one, web platform. Second one, desktop platform. Third one, mobile platform. Some people booking by using mobile apps. Some people booking by opening IRCTC web URL. Different people differently. They will get a form actually. While booking, they will get a form. Enter starting station, ending station, number of tickets, etc. They will get a form in multiple platforms. They will complete the operation, and that is transactional operation. At the end of the booking, you will get a message, transaction failed, a transaction success. That's why those applications are called transactional applications. The reason behind OLTP is we will get as an output transaction success or failure. And many companies keeping business data in the form of database objects. Assume your IRCTC data available here. Available in the sense PNR number, amount, number of passengers, starting date, ending date. This kind of information only available here. The management team, IRCTC management team, they don't bother about this kind of data. They always expect easy analytical way. Today, how many trains are having full booking? How many trains not having any booking? And which region having highest demand of ticket sale? Which region not at all having? And which coaches having highest booking? Third class coaches, second class coaches, first class coaches. How come this information? This is analytical information. Converted from this information. Then how do we present this information? So you guys bother about this process only, converting normal data into analytical data and presenting. So to present it, we don't use forms, we use report or dashboard. So analytical information presented in report or dashboard format. So this information presented in report and dashboard. Then what are the differences between report and dashboard? High level, I will tell you. A report for detailed information about operation. And dashboard is set of reports information or high level information. High level information about a subject area, technically data mart area. Savings account withdraw, a report. Current account withdraw, a report. But if we keep in a single area, savings account withdraw, deposit, online transfer, all, that is called subject area. Savings account subject area. We usually present through dashboards. Got the difference? So you guys going to create reports or dashboards for the management team to analyze. And you also provide in the form of web, desktop, mobile platforms. However, the general public operate the same way you provide in multiple platforms. But how do we convert this data into decision-making way like this? We follow a process called BA process, business intelligence process, and technically OLAP process. So transactional data, business operated data, uses BA process to generate BA information, and the BA information is a report or dashboard. So the BA information presented through a report or dashboard. Got clarity? Once again, transactional data converted to BA data using BA process and presented in report or dashboard. So this is the area you guys going to work in the real time after learning Power BI. So we drink rainwater only, but we will not drink directly. So we will first harvest it, store somewhere rainwater, filter it, finally we'll drink it. Based on the budget, the number of filters come into the picture, the purity come into the picture. The same way here, the raw data only we will take. And depending on the budget of the organization, they implement the BA process. Whoever having huge budget, they go for more BA components, more process. And whoever having less budget, they go for less. Then what is the BA process? Important to know. Look at this. Or once again, you want to see this. What is BA? Yeah, full form is business intelligence abbreviation. Intelligence to the business, decision making or analysis to the business. BA. And input to the BA is any data, anywhere data, any form data. Output from the BA is report or dashboard. This is the output. Then what is report? What is dashboard? I already explained, but once again, detailed data understanding is report. High level data understanding is dashboard. And report always for individual operation. And dashboard always for a subject area operation, multiple reports operation. Just look at only 2 points. Remaining, I will explain the regular class. So your output is report or dashboard like this. This visual presentation. You are going to create detailed data like this. These are all detailed data. We call it as reports. Or you will present high level data like this. Important key performance indicators and other visuals. Key performance indicator and other visuals. This is dashboard. So you will create these kind of reports and dashboards in the real time. But how come, sir? Now I'm going to explain. So general public, the data is transactional data. And this is a management team of the respective company. And the data is BA data. Transactional data, BA data. How come we convert this data to this? That you need to learn now. Any company you join, same process we follow, no different process. If you want to construct a house or a building or any kind of construction required, what is the first thing required? Even bridge also you want to construct. First a foundation and then pillar. On top of it, ceiling and other areas. The same way, if you want to create BA data, BA system, compulsory we need to follow this process. If you're new to IT, you may feel a little panic because new process you're learning. Otherwise, regularly we'll discuss, you feel very bored. Firstly, the business data. Process it through ETL layer, extract, transform, load layer, and create a warehouse, huge storage area. So daily we bring the data from the day-to-day systems. Daily we bring. If required, we do some transformations, intermediate operations, and load into a huge storage area. Since you are keeping daily data, it looks huge. And here only we use the word incremental loading. Here only we use the word history. the historical data, incremental data, everything we keep in the huge storage area using this layer. And ETL, extract, transform, and load. And we have all these tools. These tools will perform that operation. Data loading, extracting, transforming, and loading. And these are the databases suitable for the warehouse operations, data storage operations. And this is a separate area where we take required data. In the warehouse level, terabytes of data, petabytes of data we maintain, and complete data we maintain. And we never use complete data for analysis. So whatever we require, we'll take only the data and we go for analysis. So that required data storage area is analytical area or semantic area. Any company you go, this is a process they follow. If they have good budget, they compulsory follow this process. You join in Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, Walmart, any company, any MNC, same process. So listen to it carefully. So they create multiple small storage areas where they keep required data and place aggregate analytical information like sum, average, minimum, maximum, top, bottom, rank, sample information here. Finally, data presentation is the area where data presented in the form of report and dashboard. So first layer, data gathering. Second layer, data storage. Third area, required data operation. Fourth area, presentation. This is third area. This is fourth area. So by doing this process, we'll get a BA data here. Otherwise, not possible. Understood the process? It is given in early 90s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, so what I'm going to explain, where is Power BI? You can ask me. Could you guys tell me where is Power BI?
Third process.
Across the layers.
4. 4, right?
4, 2.
Oh, I think everything 1, 2, 3, 4. I think.
Okay, that you need to learn. If any company wants this end-to-end process, especially before 2005, compulsory they need to purchase tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, tool 4. 4 tools they need to purchase. They should recruit 4 people. They should maintain 4 environments. If any company want 4 tools, 4 people, 4 setups required, very costly. So only MNCs and top MNCs, they use that approach. So till 2005, BA process available, but small, medium people scared to use it. They get afraid of. Then one company decided, why don't we give a simple, cute process where everything implemented easily with less budget? That is Microsoft. And the product is MSBA. So before you learn Power BI, learn about MSBA something, at least few lines, 5 to 6 lines. Because the predecessor of Power BI is MSBA. The first BA from Microsoft is MSBA. If you go to interview, they will ask you the same question. When MSBA available, why Power BI? MSBA is very strong, not normal component. Then why Power BI? Microsoft given a separate component. So that question answer I'm giving here. Even once you join in the company, your project may have MSBA plus Power BI. Why? That also I will cover today. So MSBA is the first BA from the Microsoft with a suite. Suite means multiple components or multiple tools. So MSBA having first tool, second tool, third tool. First tool is integration services. Second tool is analysis services. Third tool is reporting services, tools. So MSBA, this is the first tool, which is sitting here for ETL process. Second tool, analysis process. Third tool, reporting process. 3 tools. That's why people call it as self-service BA. Self-service BA suite with multiple tools to perform
Ema,
end-to-end operations. So if you pass data, multiple tools come into the picture, finally you will get BA data. Somewhat budget also reduced, process complexity also reduced, and no need to reach multiple vendor companies. No need to contact multiple customers for product installation, product support. So Microsoft can give you end-to-end support, including installation. That is the advantage. Then why Power BI and what it has? First, I will explain in Power BI. Power BI level, no suit. MSBA 2005 released. And Power BI announced in 2013 July. Remember, 2013 July Power BI announced. So in between this, around 8 years gap is there. In the 8 years, there's a drastic change in IT. What type of change? I will tell you. Before that, what Power BI has, I will tell you. Power BI level, we have a single application with multiple components or concepts. So in Power BI level, this is the first concept which will help to do this operation. Second concept, which will help to do this operation. Third concept, which will help to do this operation, Power BI. No need of multiple tools like MSBA. One single application, multiple concepts to perform end-to-end process. So if you pass data to Power BI, it will do this complete process using concepts and give you the output. That I will show you tomorrow in practical level, how easily we can do that. So what is reduced from MSBA to Power BI? No need of multiple tools. Single application with multiple concepts to do end-to-end process. Convinced? But why? Why it is designed? So what MSBA has, what Power BI has, you are able to understand. Then why Power BI? When MSBA able to do it, listen to it. 92 till 2005, if any company want BA approach, compulsory, multiple tools they need to purchase, multiple setups they need to use, multiple resources they need to recruit. Very complex, very costly. And 2005, MSBA released. This is the first version. But small, medium companies started using, MNCs not started using due to lack of features. So Microsoft took 3 years of time to upgrade their features. And 2008, a great launch happened once again. This was the first version where Microsoft got a lot of fame in BA. Lot of fame. And from this year onwards, Microsoft is a leader in analytics and BA. In analytics and BA level, Microsoft is a leader from 2008. For the last 16 years, Microsoft is a leader, not 1-2 years. And these are the versions announced: 8R2, 12, 14, 16, 19, 22, etc. Again, you can ask me, sir, you are telling Microsoft is a leader. Then why Power BI? Now I will show you. Take a moment here. I will share you the link as well. Open this link after finishing the demo and see what type of market Microsoft having. If you learn, will you get future or not? You will come to know by using these links. This is Gartner is one organization, very popular in the market to provide ratings to IT applications, IT tools. Gartner. So many people believe Gartner ratings and they purchase respective tools. And we usually follow ISO standards before purchasing a product. The same way Gartner ratings, Forrester Wave ratings. Just read it. Microsoft named a leader in 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant. I'm talking about 22 link. And see the statement. This is important. Today, we are announcing that 15th consecutive year, Microsoft has been positioned as a leader in 2022 Gartner Magic Quadrant in analytics and BI platforms. Analysis level, BI platform level, Microsoft is a leader for the last 16 years. That's why Microsoft is on top in the leader category, and Tableau, ClickView, they are somewhere. And these are all just challenges. If your friend says this is very popular BA tool, don't believe. Statistics are different. No doubt, Microsoft ruling the rest. Maximum BA projects in Microsoft. I'm not talking about Power BI, Microsoft. So in case you want to establish a wonderful career, learn properly any BA tool, either MS BA or Power BA or Microsoft Fabric. 100% you will have great future. 16 years, it's a leader, not 1-2 years. And even if you see 2022 market, so 21 market, I have one link. That is for Power BI. Power BI jobs demand grows as it dominates market share. See guys, market leader Microsoft. See the share in 2021. I'm talking about 21 share. In 21, 36% of BA projects in Power BI. Not 1 to 36%. If you have 100 projects, 36 projects in Power BI. In 22, 42% projects in Power BI. So out of 100, 42% of BA projects in Power BI in 22. That is a market of Power BI and Microsoft. So don't worry about the future and life of the Power BI or Microsoft BI. It is having wonderful future, wonderful market. What all you need to do is learn properly. That's it. Got clarity? Good. Now, Microsoft having wonderful market since 2008, but there are some issues actually. The issues I will tell you, concentrate. MSBA released in 2005. Look at the point. And it is having the features before 2004 market. Before 2004, whatever the market available, on basis of that, MSBA designed. And Facebook release year, 2004. And Google Analytics, very popular. And many organizations, Instagram, Twitter, all available after 2004 only, not before 2004. So social media platforms are more and more added after 2004. Social media platforms. After 2004. Tech cloud, the word cloud available from 2006. We are using for the last 10 years, but 2006 onwards available, cloud. And mobile platforms available from 2008. Mobile apps, tab apps available from 2008. And MSBA not having the capability to provide support this, because the architecture, the design is completely different. The engine is different. It mostly on-premises storage, MSBA. This is the first point to remember, no cloud. Multiple tools required in MSBA. Mobile and tab friendly not available. Very limited data inputs it will connect. In case MSB application you want to keep in your Facebook level, Instagram level, not possible. No embedding, that is called embedding, not possible. So separately we need to see MSB report. But if you want to see in your company website level, in your company blog level, very difficult to do. And limited visuals available. Data presentation components also very less. And you need average coding, compulsory coding you need to write. And one more, change also, every 2 to 3 years there is a change. So Microsoft got in feedback from all organizations. You are leader, but couple of things you're lagging behind. So they decided to increase the power of existing BI, that is Power BI. So Power BI is not a specific, what do you say? There's no specific reason to give Power BI, just on-demand word. As they're adding power to the existing BI, Power BI, adding power to the existing BI. They said a low-code application you guys will find, a self-service application you will find, which will generate reports and dashboards from data. That is the definition. A low-code self-service BI application to generate reports and dashboards from the data. So Power BI level, you have cloud support, on-premises support. One Power BI application can do end-to-end process. Mobile friendly possible, tab friendly possible. In the class, we'll discuss both. Any type of data it can operate. Wonderful embedding available. You can place Power BI report easily in the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, your personal blog level, website level. And low code, very less code we need to write. And visuals, hundreds of visuals available, hundreds of visuals. 50 to 60 native visual. Native means Microsoft given visual. More than 300 custom visuals available. Those are sufficient for our business needs. And the beautiful point is monthly update. Not like MSBA yearly release, monthly update we have. From 2013 July to till this month, we are having update. From July 13 to till this month, we are having update. So the drawbacks of MSBA, they rectified. Also, they provided monthly updates. It's a beautiful thing. No tool or technology in the market available with monthly update. For example, you launch a new product, you started a new company, you release a new product. Immediately, Microsoft will land over and ask you, why don't you integrate with us? We have so-and-so services support. And the next month, we will find it fresh. So-and-so organization joined with us. That is the strength Microsoft maintaining. This made Microsoft usable, acceptable by many companies. With its features, it is driving the market. Got clarity? Why Power BI when MSB available? And Microsoft did not stop with this. This is a point important. With the given spirit of Power BI low-code approach, Microsoft decided to give some more low-code components. They're given, and those are Power Platform components. So till 2000 July 2013 to 2019, Power BI standalone. Standalone means individual. But 2019 onwards, it is part of Power Platform. Very few people aware of it. So Power BI is the first component in the Power Platform. Microsoft Power Apps is the second component, third component, fourth component, fifth component. So what are these? Could you explain me? Single line, I will explain. Focus. Power BI, a low-code application which will generate reports and data, dashboards. Power Apps, a low-code application to generate mobile and tab-friendly apps. Your business operation app you want to create. Without writing much code, you can create your business operations app. IRCTC app you want to construct again, you can do it with Power Apps easily, or IRCC kind of stuff or anything. Any app you want to design easily, create easily, you can go to Power Apps. Automate. You want to perform automated operations. Example, as soon as your manager send an email to your email box with high importance, you need a mobile alarm. So your mailbox receives an email, you need a mobile alarm. This is automated process, a robotic automated process that you want to do with less code, go to Power Automate. When you open an app, when you open a website, in the bottom corner, you will find how may I assist you, correct? That is called chatbot. The chatbot you want to create with less code, virtual agent. And you want to create your website, your web page, company web page. Yes, you can create with less code, that is Power Pages. So these are the low code components available in the Microsoft to create, so to perform different operations. But companies not using combo. Microsoft thought people will use Power Apps, Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate virtual agent like this, but very few companies using. So they decided to give the actual market requirement, that is Fabric. This is a latest process. Microsoft noticed companies need reporting component, companies need data processing component, companies need data storaging component, companies need data monitoring component. So this is reporting, data processing, data storage, data monitoring. These components companies are using, so they made a new release called Microsoft Fabric. No doubt it will rule the rest. Even we are going to start after 1 month or 2 months, Microsoft Fabric course with a combination of this. If you want to contact Microsoft support team regarding Power BI issues, no more Power BI, Fabric. So Fabric team will contact you for Power BI issues. So everything Fabric moving forward. This is current market usage. And I explained last 45 minutes types of data, 3 types of data, 2 types of storage, 2 types of format. IT applications, majorly 2, business running, business analysis, and BA application, the applications which will construct reports and dashboards. We have legacy, middle age, modern. Power BI comes under modern because cloud on-premises support available, mobile tab friendly available, any source it can connect, low code, many more. And Power Platform, it is a platform where multiple low code components available and available from 2019. And Microsoft Fabric, the modern data flow architecture system, where Power BI for reporting, Data Factory for data processing, Synapse for storage, and Data Activator for data monitoring and governance. Don't worry, I will explain this later clearly. But this is the environment you guys going to work in the companies, and you will practice in the classroom. So I'm done with the understanding of environment today. And tomorrow, I will show you this practical. In case you have data like this, how do we convert into decision-making data like this? This is your data, and I will show you converting like this by using Power BI component. The BA process I will show you. So today is theoretical, tomorrow is practical. Kindly join for tomorrow as well. 2 demo classes. First demo, environment awareness completed. Second demo, practical. And I'll be sharing the demo video and document. Kindly open, read it in case you feel something panic. Or if you're able to understand, join happily tomorrow for practical and complete the practical tomorrow after the session. Then only continue. From Wednesday onwards, the regular classes at 7 a.m. On a whole, 2 important words I will conclude and close it. What is MSBA? A self-service BA suite with multiple tools to perform end-to-end operations and generate a report or dashboard. What is Power BI? A low-code, cloud and on-premises supportive, low-code, cloud and on-premises supportive, self-service BA application with multiple concepts. It is a very detailed definition actually. To perform end-to-end operations and generate report or dashboard. Low code, cloud and on-premises, both self-service BA, multiple concepts, end-to-end operation. What is Power Platform? Multiple low code, components area. What is Microsoft Fabric? New cutting edge technology process for data gathering, storing, reporting, and governance. That's
Uh,
yes, please.
yeah, Vinay, Venki here. So actually, what we are learning
Give me,
now,
sir. Give me a moment, sir.
yeah,
So this is about the demo. And I believe you all provide your mobile number and email ID in the chat room.
Yes.
1 second. You will be receiving the document and video. Kindly go through. And I'm not explaining what I provide, what I will provide in the next sessions, because I explained at the beginning. These are all the components I'm going to provide. And this I will share with you live class video, theory, practical materials. And my name, my mobile number available. I already provided my mobile number for your doubts, questions, etc. in the given timings. Kindly call me for more clarifications. And daily session 1 hour, 50 to 60 hours sessions will be conducted in this time, 7 a.m. class. Monday to Friday compulsory classes, monthly 2 Saturdays you may have classes based on your interest.